bet that's a cat.
Catfish.
Yeah. Walk up
I
closer.
didn't get it.
Walk up closer to the water.
I didn't get it.
No, you kind of made it.
I still.
Whoa, let me take it. That actually
Okay.
almost cut Daddy's finger.
Get it.
Yeah, he's running to the bank. Or he's running to the mud.
He's running to them. I can follow you.
I feel like I'm on the deep sea. Yeah, that's a cat.
Hurry up, we want to see what it is.
I'm trying not to break the line, Melissa.
Do it. Oh. We get it. Oh, yeah. Get it.
The pressure I feel. Watch out, Macy.
We like your Barbie fishing pole, Daddy.
Now what? Get that cat away from my tackle box. Get.
Wait. Go.
Shoot.
Go. Shoot. Go. Shoot.
What I want to do is have a cat swallow my stuff.
I got him like I almost kicked him, but... I'm gonna do it.
Macy, I'm fixing to bring him in, so you better back it up.
Okay. Back it up, Mommy. Get it, Daddy.
Whoa!
Yes.
Okay, we're redeeming ourselves from yesterday.
Whoa, Macy, that is a good one.
Whoa.
Oh.
Yeah, I hold it.
No, leave it down. Leave it down.
Okay. Oh, man. Hey, cool.